We see a computer screen with lines of code, a cup of coffee, and a programmer deep in thought. Python. It's more than just a programming language. It's a versatile tool that empowers developers to create, innovate, and solve complex problems with elegance and simplicity. But what exactly is Python? At its core, Python is an interpreted, high-level programming language known for its readability and simplicity. Its syntax is clean and concise, making it accessible for beginners while offering powerful features for experienced developers. So, what can we do with Python? The possibilities are virtually endless. From web development to data analysis, machine learning to automation, Python can do it all. With libraries like Django and Flask, Python is a popular choice for building web applications. Its ease of use and vast ecosystem of packages make it a favorite among developers worldwide. In the realm of data science, Python shines brightly. With libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, analysts can efficiently process, analyze, and visualize data, unlocking valuable insights and driving informed decision-making. Python's flexibility extends to the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch provide powerful tools for building and training neural networks, enabling groundbreaking advancements in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Moreover, Python is a go-to choice for automation tasks. Whether it's scripting repetitive tasks, managing infrastructure, or orchestrating workflows, Python's simplicity and versatility make it an invaluable ally for streamlining processes and increasing efficiency. But what sets Python apart from other programming languages? Its technical strengths lie in its simplicity, readability, and extensive standard library. Python's elegant syntax minimizes the amount of code needed to express concepts, resulting in faster development cycles and easier maintenance. Furthermore, Python's dynamic typing and automatic memory management reduce the cognitive load on developers, allowing them to focus on solving problems rather than wrestling with low-level details. In conclusion, Python is more than just a programming language. It's a powerful tool that empowers developers to turn ideas into reality, whether they're building web applications, analyzing data, or pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. With its simplicity, versatility, and strong community support, Python continues to shape the future of technology and inspire innovation worldwide. Python, where simplicity meets power.